Hello, this week welcome to another video in PHP forms video series. In this video you are going to learn about file upload system, uploading files through PHP. Here I have created this simple form with the input type file and a submit button. Let's load this file in browser. File upload.php. Here is a simple form with a file upload. We don't need this input field. We don't need this first name field. I'll remove it or comment it just for now. Okay, let's reload this file. Here is a file input field and we can select the files. Here this file is selected and we can submit the form so that with PHP we can upload this file, submitted file. We'll see how we can do that. And before going further, you should add method attribute and enc type attribute, multipart form data. For sending files, you should add this encoding type to opening form attribute. And the input type should be file and you have to add a name attribute. Let's see how we can upload these files with the PHP. How we can receive these files in PHP. I'm opening a PHP block and I am going to check post superglobal print underscore post. Let's see what will happen after submitting this file. It's an empty array. After reloading the page, I have selected the image and submit. There is nothing in this post array because while we submit the files, we have to use file superglobal. It's not a post superglobal, it's a files. Let's check it again. I have selected the file, submitting it. Now I can see image. It's an input name image. If I modify the input file name image to profile pic something else, we will see it here. And the name, type, temporary name, error and size. Let's add a pre-tags. PHP syntax highlighting is not working. It's in HTML. I'll close this file and reopen it. Now you can see the color coding for this PHP. After reloading the page, you can see it's an empty array. If I submit the file, I have selected the file and submitting the form. I can see it's input file name. These are the parameters and based on this we are going to upload this file. It's the size of this image and the error code. Before proceeding further, I am going to add a if block. If is set $_files and not empty $_files. I am checking the file superglobal is set and not empty before proceeding further. After reloading the page, we are not seeing this empty array. After submitting the form, we should see this submitted details. These are the submitted details and it's a temporary path. Based on this temporary path, we'll move this file from this temporary location to our desired location. Let's assign all these values to variables. Name, file superglobal, image, name. Size, temporary name. It's a temporary location of this file and we are going to move this file to our desired location using this path, using this temp name. Okay, and I am going to check one more time if this name is set. If the name is set, then this file is uploaded. Otherwise there is no file. Not empty. Name, echo error. I can see if you are not selecting this file, it's showing this error, and now you can see the error code for this is for if the file is not selected. These are the error codes. Based on this we can process, or else we can write our own code for checking these files. Next we can add validations for checking the file type and file size. First of all, I'll upload this file without doing any of this. Here I am creating a new directory, calling it as uploads, and changing the permissions to read write, and read write. Okay. For moving the file from this temporary location to our desired location, we have to use this function move uploaded file. File name is a temporary name. This is a variable. This is a temporary path, and our desired location is uploads / name file name. If we see the file name, I have selected this file and submitting it. This is a file name. Here this file is uploaded. This is a simple command for moving this file from temporary location, that is this location, and to the desired location. It's uploads and name. That's it. This is the simplest thing. You can add a file type validation and file size validation, and we can break these paths into separate variables. And if I upload the same file, let's see what will happen. Here the same file is uploaded. PHP replaced this older file with the new image. For that we have to rename this file based on the timestamp. I'm going to add a timestamp within the file name, so that every time user uploads a file will be uploaded with a new name with the added timestamp. Let's add a file type validation. I'm opening an if block. If type image or a JPG, then only we'll proceed with this step, that is moving the file. Otherwise, I'm going to display an error message. Okay, here I have a typo mistake, image / JPG. Let's check it by uploading a different file. I selected a different file and submit. Only upload JPG files. It's a numbers file. You can see the name, and the file type also you can see it's a numbers file type. So it's showing the error message only upload JPG files. If we check our uploads directory, nothing is uploaded. Before uploading any other file, I am going to add the timestamp to this file name, creating a file name variable so that we can use it in a move upload file function. Timestamp, the name. Let's add this file name here. Now we should see the difference. On line number 16. Okay, semicolon. I'm submitting this form with the image. Now you can see it's an image. Let's check it in the directory. Now you can see the new name with a timestamp. It's a unique timestamp generated with a time function added to this file name. Instead of adding uploads here, I am going to move this to a variable. I am making it as location. I am going to create a new variable, upload path, location, and a file name. Instead of file name, we can use upload path directly. Now see the difference. It should work same as previous steps. I'm submitting the form with this image. We don't have any error message, so that means it should be uploaded. It's uploaded. Now we can see third file in our uploads directory. After uploading this file, we can display a success message if echo file uploaded successfully. Submitting the form with the image, file uploaded successfully. Then these are the steps for uploading files. First step is you should add the file input field to the form, and you have to add enc type, multipart form data, and also method should be post. It's an encoding type for sending files, and if you are trying to read with the post super global, it won't work. You have to use files super global. It's a simple step. You have to move this file from temporary location to the desired location using move uploaded file function. This is a simple statement, and these are all the validations and all the variables for changing the file name and path, all those things. This is a one single step that you have to remember for uploading files. I am going to comment this step, and also I want to move this errors and success messages inside this panel body so that we can see above our form. We have already worked on this errors and success messages in previous videos. I'm going to reuse the code. I'm copying these two PHP blocks, pasting it inside panel body before form opening tag, and I'm going to assign these errors to errors array, and success message to message array. Now we should see proper message after uploading the file. File uploaded successfully. If there is any error, we should see the error message also. Only upload JPG files. If I submit the form, empty form, please select a file. It's working properly. We are successfully done with uploading files in PHP. It's a simple concept. I have to understand this concept for uploading files. If you want to learn more about PHP forms, check out other videos in this series. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.